Oh, for the first that I'm live though, right now. I think we are. Okay. After 6 months though. Let me check. Can you guys hear me? I think okay. I think I am. Okay, yeah. There's I think 20 so there's I think something around 15 seconds of delay. I think I was checking. That's the reason like and I just couldn't able to stop that thing. So it's like seconds of delay. So in this place, okay, hi, Mita, welcome back, bro. It's one plan, yeah, your life. Okay, I forgot to set my live chat. Wait, let me set that also. For people. Wow, after a long time. So I did. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so wait, give me a sec. I was just doing some things. No, it's not coming. So today I'm just going to find my roadmap because I don't have a roadmap proper to learn like a backend. That's the reason I'm going to create a roadmap today. I mean, a little bit like a research about that on my using what is it called? DeepSeek. No, bro, bro, go and send me straight. Okay, yeah, let's just set our screen. I change a little bit. Okay, I'm getting. I think you guys can hear a small background noise. Little bit down. Okay, okay. I think all set. Already in the back end now. Backend development. Okay, so what is backend is? Backend when you are okay, so the front end part is like when you are visiting a website. Let's suppose we visit this MAT site, okay, we visit this MAT site. So this is the front end part. But on this background side, what is going on? Like if I'm just apply a application, then I have to fill some detail, and this detail are just going to save on a database. So how is that going to save on a database, and is how it's going to like recommend you when you're typing, yeah, look, like this recommend me a email of mine. So how did he recommended me? So this all stuffs are going to store in backend. So that is what called backend.
A backend developer builds and maintains the server side of web applications. They work with databases, APIs, and external services to ensure that the backend can handle traffic and provide a good user experience. Respons-
Yeah, so this is what is backend. So I'm going to learn this. I have a 3 years ago getting that. Where is my backend? think this one. Yes. Okay, this one. So I think I'm going to follow this thing. So first of all, I have to learn the JavaScript. I don't know anything about JavaScript though. Like I'm new in JavaScript. So I'm going to learn that first. Then after that, I'm going to decide like which, yeah, what I timings. I think I'm going to start streaming from 10:30 to like I don't know from how much it will go to the end. I mean, I want a copy. A copy. I want a copy. Yes, copy. I'm not doing this. Oh my god! Look at the dust. I mean, ah, the copy. First thing, it's backend. If will follow you along. Oh, thanks, man. Mm-hmm. Backend. Okay, so the first thing I'm thinking to learn JavaScript. The first programming language. Okay, but I'm also like confused between JavaScript and the Python because within Python also we can do the backend stuff. All right. Are you working during daytime or are you studying also? I mean, on the daytime, I recently started a agency, so I'm going to work there. I mean, just check on my what is it, LinkedIn. I mean, name web piece. So I'm working there. But I'm thinking about to learn JavaScript. I'm just confused. JavaScript or Python? Because Python I know very well. Like I built some projects on Python. Like I built a neural network and I built some crazy good kind of projects. I mean, kind of good. Python is JS. JavaScript. Check that out. It's like good thing I think that. What is a backend developer? Backend developer. Everyone. Okay, I suggest JavaScript. I'm also thinking to JavaScript because in the market, I how much I just studied with my own. I just found out JavaScript is the leading language to like learn backend development. But I want to know the difference between those two things. So today I'm just going to find out my what is going to be my roadmap because I just wanted to follow a proper roadmap because in my AIML the field I just didn't follow my Nathan. How are you, man? Because in my like AIML of that pro I mean the streams I was just going with the flow. I mean, and I regret a lot. Like first month I just only learned Python. That was my big mistake. But I require it. Just thinking there's the thing I want because at the end I wanted to go to AIML. Skill with the backend development. Yeah, forward you on LinkedIn. Thank you. I'm going I'm going to accept your request after that. After the stream. If for getting intense. So what tools do you okay, here you can see the Python or the JavaScript. Huh? PHP? What the hell? Who read the PHP Java? C has been C plus plus, I think. I don't know. The framework Django or Node.js. These are the two things. Send request. Okay, I got the request. Database SQL or MongoDB. I'm not preferring money right now. I just want to learn, gain some knowledge, and then go for the money. There are many paths you can take to become a web development through the necessary skills or the programming language. Any backend developer need to use the backend program. PHP framework survives. Python is the not most popular programming language because it's compatible with AI machine learning. The logical basics known for the front end. Okay, I think I prefer the JavaScript framework. Let's just search on what is the difference between Python and Java I can just Python JavaScript switch right down now like in backend. Python switch from Python JavaScript. I asked my few of my friends to give me some advice which language I should prefer, and most of the friends have just recommended me to go for the JavaScript. Okay, by the way, I'm in my Discord. If any guys want to join and give me some advice, I would love to. Don't I would love to if you guys going to give me some advice too. I suggest you start to blog or something along with your YT streams. It is easier to follow or just writing this. Yes, I'm going to do that. I mean, for my everyday updates, I'm going to do that. Okay, anyone is going to join this thing? I mean, you guys can give me some advice too.
How does Docker
Docker. Let's paste it here. I want a geek for geek, man. Geek for geek is a good thing. I prefer.
help with production quality applications? And how do you build your own Docker file from scratch? Well, if you're a software engineer,
choosing a language for your web API can be an overwhelming task. In this video, I will provide some unbiased information on each of these languages to help you decide. I will also rank each of these languages based on their traits and reveal the results at the end. JavaScript has a very large community and ecosystem. It has plenty of libraries and frameworks available as well. Despite misconceptions, Node.js itself actually performs pretty well. However, JavaScript isn't technically asynchronous, as it runs async tasks on a single thread. There has been a lot of criticism for Node's lack of multithreading support, which is crucial to run at maximum efficiency. You can use workers, which are similar to multithreading. However, these are limited and add a level of complexity and performance overhead. JavaScript is a scalable language. However, scaling is often limited by Node's multithreading capability. The JavaScript ecosystem provides a lot of options for security, and the developer experience is very intuitive, given you're using TypeScript. It's nice having a front end and back end in the same language. JavaScript's event-driven nature makes writing real-time web apps a breeze. C# has a huge ecosystem and community as well. While C# isn't as fast as Go or Rust, it still has some good performance capabilities.
C#.
Ecosystem. It has plenty of libraries and
So just read a document because in recent times I just stuck in that so-called tutorial hell, and I've been just regretting a lot about that thing. The tutorial hell thing is one of the worst thing happened to a developer to get into tutorial hell. Okay, so cover the one on the context. because of the complex Python and the Node.js are the two most popular texts to integrated systems are the products of choosing the right technology between Node.js. Node.js and the Python, if you are just small, it will help you to choose the right difference between the Python and the Node.js. Let's right into now. Server to the different the backend application is the very backend in the projects and the application will be fault which is not to hold in event that you need to choose for every document to pick one between the two using the backend technology. Node.js versus Python. By the way, guys, anyone want to help me with this thing? You can go to my Discord and you can join the first general one. I'm there if anyone want to help me to find out the perfect roadmap. Which PHP, Java, and the C++? Let me set the entire screen. Yeah, so like here we are, like in here I'm right here right now. If anyone want to help me, you can like join me in here. Just please help me. Okay. JavaScript the two use internet. Hey bro, sorry for being late. Man, join man. The most application to make this choice, else what you have gone the side by side to the combination Node.js and the Python. Sort the page. All wait, coming, yes man, come. It being the Python and the Node.js. As well in the 2000 Node.js compared to the one, but to the JavaScript environment that to the scripting. Google powered V8 engine. What is V8 engine though? In Google powered V8 engine. Today's AI let's see DeepSeek. I prefer DeepSeek in like recent times. What is Google powered V8 engine? As a search and watches later thing. Not just used to or some such as every time the apps. Yeah, okay. In Node.js, if I learn Node.js, then I can go with this thing also. What is it called? The applications and the app development also. I think. Okay, on the Node.js versus Python. Node.js is the open source JS runtime environment just to pair both commands and internet traffic. Using the Python is an object-oriented high-level programming language. Yeah. Between the client and the server, I got me. But there are no faster JavaScript framework like JS setup and hey bro, how are you? I think someone joined.
रुको मुझे तुम्हारा स्ट्रीम को एक दूसरे क्रोम में ऑन करने दो
But there is a latency between 15 seconds around, like between me and my stream.
Fine bro, fine.
On the other side, Node.js versus Python. Python is Different programming executed files.
ठीक है
Ocean
हूँ
1991. Wow, what the fuck? Python is built in 1991. That's point. Why? I don't know. Hey, Abhishek, how are you? Long time no see. I mean, I just disappeared sometime, but yeah. With a mobile and that's it's used to many programmers with a very confusing nature. Hey, Abhishek, like, what are you doing? Like, can you help me? I should go with the Python or JavaScript. The difference. There is first version in Python. 1990. Okay, the Node.js is latest one, 2009. It's not that much old according to all you. About you, I'm also good now. That is going. You can see me right here. Node.js is the better to set up web development like a real-time application network apps. Python will prefer to machine learning data analysis and the scripting. Okay. Node.js is a user.
hey bro hello hello hello
Yes, yes, yes.
मैं क्या मैं क्या बोलूँ नॉर्मली बोलूँ
If you can try to speak in English,
ओके
that might be good.
ओके देखो मैं क्या ओके
Okay, listen.
but I have no
Abhishek, I'm
idea
not
but I'm
starting
saying
web dev. Abhishek, I'm not starting web dev. I'm starting backend. I mean, maybe from this
no,
I'll start. Okay. Yes. Tell. No,
okay so
not just used to develop front
by the way
end.
stuck कहाँ तू stuck कहाँ पर हो
I'm finding I should prefer JavaScript or Python. That's the reason I'm reading this document. With the help of event developing, no blocking of Node.js can process multiple requirements at the time of speak of. How much I knows now? I should prefer JavaScript. I mean, I don't know just maybe the start of the test phone. Okay, not that V8. Google V8 engine is the high performance open source JavaScript on the web engineering development by Google. Written by C++. Every single thing is written by C++ and used to prefer Chrome as a type something web browsing like Microsoft. V8 is also Node.js, but the server side JavaScript. Yeah. What is V8? I know that. It's basically built out of C++. It's an open source JavaScript web and since engineering development. Atomnet, are you done? Hello.
no I'm not
What are you trying to find though? Okay. How much I learn now? The Node.js has more compatibility with the backend. I mean, so I should prefer Node.js and the JavaScript is on here also
actually
like
in JavaScript there is only Node.js backend
Node.js.
development like there
Yeah.
are more like Next.js and Node.js and Node.js like the primary version of backend.
Okay.
Yes, in
Okay.
web development, there are like two things, client side and server side, and you are actually
Yeah. Like
focusing on server side. So,
okay. But what is
focusing
the
on Node.js would be
the
better
client side? What
option.
is like what is client side?
Client side is like front end, the the thing which are users are actually
Deep C
seeing.
client.
Maybe
Okay.
it can be buttons and all, but the server side is what you are actually building, and the companies are handling. You can say backend
Okay.
directly.
Okay. 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 I prefer deep C. Okay. So the client side is like what the front end part.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And the server side is the backend because the same thing. I mean the front end and backend. Like if I learn Node.js, then what
Yes.
should I prefer? Like which data set?
Wait a
If I can
second. Wait a
learn
second. What
Node.js.
did you ask?
Like, if I would prefer Node.js, then what database I should prefer to learn?
MongoDB.
MongoDB.
MongoDB is the best one that is suitable for the JavaScript version because you don't need to download other integrations application just to, you know, run the database on your system. In other languages like Java and Python, you have to install like uh, MySQL, Postgres, or any other database. But in JavaScript, there is MongoDB is like the most suitable one and the most preferable.
Okay. Backend. JavaScript is okay, okay, okay. Okay. And what are my questions though? Okay, the first thing, let's write down our first questions. Like, what is backend? Maintenance, secure, END. What is backend?
So,
Yeah,
first go and search what is the difference between client-side rendering and server-side rendering.
but
The
let me
thing
know
I
first
have
what is
like
backend.
told you is like the most backend in what sense?
Like the definition of backend. Like, what do you prefer as a backend? Backend development.
It-
Backend development definition backend all about
Uh, why don't you prefer roadmap.sh? Like it's easy one.
roadmap does assets.
Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, wait. You are talking about
Asset.
backend, then you are using JavaScript. It means you are actually focusing on being the Node.js developer, right? And
Yeah,
go to this link I'm sharing. Wait.
I get it. The backend. Okay, he's like first. He's like preferring the recommended optionals to pick the order, not to stick learn at a time.
The
Okay,
link.
it's going to the JavaScript to go, then Python, Ruby. Okay, which one I'm going to prefer? Okay, which is go. Okay,
Best one
and
is
here
JavaScript,
he's
in my
just
opinion.
okay. JavaScript. Okay, how does a
Because I
network
have three
work? What is HTTP? What is
experience.
domain name? What is hosting? What is DNS? And okay, I know about HTTP, hypertext, something like that, programming language, something. I don't know DNS. I know what hosting. Yes, I know if hosting. If domain name, there's a unique name in every single website. Browse and how they work. Okay, I don't know browser.
npm and npx are like the package installer. जैसे हम लोगों में pip होता है ना, in
Mm-hmm.
Python we use pip
Yes,
package
yes,
installer.
PP. Yes, yes.
Just like that, script there is npm
PN.
and npx.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Okay,
npm and npx.
okay. It's pretty good though. Introduction database is going to re hosting server. Okay, ref hosting. What is a repo hosting server? I mean,
It is a long journey. If you can see, that backend journey has a lot of options and unnecessary things. You just need to learn one thing. Like for API calling, you just need HTS, fetch, got, package, this modules. Not every time we use key, fast, this frameworks.
okay.
And
I
let
think first of all I should
go other
learn
topics
those
like the
things.
green ticks. The what?
I should learn what is internet. The internet is a global. Okay, this one I know. TCP/IP. What is HTTP? Explain.
The green, the green parts like green tick, correct? The mark is like
Yes.
it is the most beginner topics, and some
Okay.
of them are very theoretical, not even practical.
Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Okay, I should go there, then there, then there, then I should learn this. GitHub. Okay, I know something about GitHub. Then I know relational databases. Okay, ISQL. MongoDB we have to use now, but there is MySQL. Okay, there isn't MongoDB. And got
I would suggest to
this.
use
And
MongoDB because look, in JavaScript there are more jobs than Python and you can say other languages.
yeah,
The Java and JavaScript are the primary tech stack that companies are using. So
okay,
MongoDB is like NoSQL. It can do the both things SQL can do, and is
okay,
fast and more scalable.
okay,
Okay, so while building vast application, just for learning purpose, you can learn Postgres and MySQL, but for scaling or making an application, making it faster, smoother, we need to use MongoDB.
okay. MongoDB.
You can search also, and you can also ask
Web
DeepSeek or
server,
ChatGPT.
search engine. Like I have to learn those things also, like web server, search engine.
Yep,
Damn,
it's like the backend all
build
consist of
data.
internet and database and systems like loop
Yeah, yeah,
filtering
yeah,
and all.
yeah, yeah. Okay, going to
And
be
some are
about
like you just need to know little bit of them.
okay. Hmm.
Yeah, there are a lot of names, but you only need to do one or two topics maybe.
Now I'm thinking I just choose a long domain. Hmm.
Wait.
Okay. Selecting what is first of all backend is. Then after that I'm going to take some notes. Side of or app. Similar or application or if F. Okay, the second thing is which language should I prefer? Which language should I? ChatGPT? No, I don't prefer that. Which language should I prefer? Question mark. Which is I'm going to put this Java scripting. Not yes.
Frameworks available as well.
Backend. Okay. Backend roadmap. Want some backend roadmap? This guy is just stole my name, my man. MOS. His name is Moss. My name is Moss. But I stole his name. I don't like those guys.
So, yeah.
Those two. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes. I can hear you.
I don't
How
know.
his document though? This one good document. Download
This
free toolbar.
document, that the one I have
Moss,
made.
Moss, MOS. No, like your document is like not that much detailed. Moss details. Moss. Are you okay? My fake name. Let's keep my fake email address also. Please get here the box. Thanks for confirming the submission. Please check on your box. All mails. No. Which box though? Please check your inbox. Inbox. Where's my inbox? Ah. Where is the PDF, guys? Where is it? Hey, Atom. Hello, Atom. This was delivered in
Hello, 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 hello.
submission, but I didn't get the mail. This is not
What type of document do you need?
like this Morse thing. Confirm. Click out the password. Very safe person. Check on your box. It's very safe. Okay. Let's just fill up the form once again. Let's give the earlier. Send the roadmap to me. Check your inbox. What is it? I don't know. Please check the below button to
Hello.
confirm. Yes, hello. I'm very good.
Check this out, bro. I'm sending you a site. It's an article from Geeks for Geeks.
Got it.
It has so many details just to, learn Node.js.
No GS, no GS, no GS, no GS, no GS. What is a hot chronological? So what happens? Okay.
Wait, one more thing. Wait. I have one more thing. Uh, Look, I'm sharing uh, a link from Udemy. Just try to take some idea from this curriculum, like the Udemy course curriculum. It's the best way to learn Node.js.
Okay, not just for beginner to advanced. Okay, first of all, I think I should learn
Uh,
JavaScript because in JavaScript, why backend? Okay, why backend? Mention of my video. I don't have any specific reason. Just I want to continue the coding thing. I mean, I just want to program, build some logic and something stuff like that. Only 47 minutes left to. I was thinking only 12 hours. Video. How many years it's been? Introduction to the okay. Extension. Oh, I want to prefer this one. Problem with this, but C++ is pretty sexy.
Check the course content,
I
bro. Check
was
the course
learning C++,
content.
man. What? Course content in description, this one. As a course content.
Course
Introduction,
content,
understanding
it
the
has syllabus
Node.js
of
settings. Okay.
Node.js.
No, but first of all, like I should find I mean, a roadmap, like a proper roadmap. Then I'm going to start with the Node.js now. Today's stream it all about the roadmap. I mean, the skills, not backpacking practical. Hello, looking at the files and opening, reading, deleting it. The first file, 5 lakhs. I think looking 5 lakhs. HTTP website server. Didn't server, okay, man. It's going to take a long time to build it. I can just feel it that. Check your inbox.
That learning Microsoft Power BI can be the smartest move to make in your career right now, because companies like SAP, Emphasis, Capgemini, Accenture, Larsen & Toubro, Wipro, Sony, Infosys and many more are hiring professionals who can build dashboards in Power BI just like this. And if you aspire to work with these companies with an amazing salary package, Power BI is a must-have skill for you. You don't even need to know how to code or have any prior experience in the skill to learn it. Hi, I'm Jatan Shah, a Microsoft certified trainer, and after helping over 32,000 professionals master Microsoft Power BI, I'm your
बैकएंड डेवलपर बनने के लिए 5 आवश्यक कुशलताएं हैं। चलिए
I see you're trying to learn Node.js. I don't really do web development, so I don't have any now. It would just know that learning doesn't help in okay, yeah, like I also definitely like agree with you. Just doing those now, Udemy course wouldn't do everything. Good luck. And I'm also the same thing. I mean, if I'm just going to learn everything, it's just not going to help me with anything.
उन्हें एक-एक करके
Like I should just what is it? Build some projects and do those kind of things. I'm totally going to agree with you, man. Okay, okay, new message here you can see news. Here's the download thing.
So bro, check your message. I have sent you something.
Okay, I got it. I got some roadmap for backend development. Just export files. What message? First learn JavaScript, then Node.js, then MongoDB, Express, then Node, and Next.js. What is Next.js? Just go when do some project, learn about DevOps, select development, and other stuff. Trust it. Not to trust. Introduction to what I said. Let's go to the Python. Let's go into Python. Introduction. The guide is the tail. The company is successful like and development. And directly looking for whatever. The one is speaking of that. Git. Data structure and algorithm. Data structure and Python. Databases. 11 months. I'm not going to spend 11 months in this bullshit thing. Top tip for every beginner. I'm not a beginner, but they are also the basic becoming top possible. Maybe explain a little bit more before fully set on backend development. Okay. Look, okay. So the thing is, in AIML, to get into AIML, okay, to get a intensive in AIML is much more difficult than any ever thing, okay, because the AIML is like require not AIML like specific. In AIML also I have to choose a specific path that I wanted to go. So in AI/ML, you have to like focus on single thing. Like if I'm just focus on deep learning, then I'm just going to get a job into a deep learning, something like that. Okay, so if I'm going to focus on only algorithm, then I'm going to get job into something algorithm stuff. Okay, the get into and to get into internship in AI/ML, something like that, is much more difficult than you actually think. Okay, so if I wanted to get into job into the internship or job into AI/ML, I have to like get some experience with another languages. I mean the on other stuffs. Okay, so that's the reason I'm deciding backend for that reason. Okay, I'm just going to get experience, get some knowledge about backend, because backend is also the kind of same thing with that thing. I feel like web development will be the first to learn to lose their job. Not maybe they just man, you're not going
Yeah.
to lose the job. Nothing is easy, man. You just got through it. And nothing is easy. Yes, I agreed with you. Definitely, I agreed with you. Okay, I asked a few of like senior programmers. They are into the AI/ML field, and they told me this. Get into is very hard. Other than unless you are going to get a placement, or they are also some in different background. They just switch into AI/ML. I think you should choose something you are truly passionate about. The circuit that I wanted to follow AI/ML. Okay, I am learning the backend developing, but side by side, I'm going to make some projects, build some things with AI/ML also. I'm not going to just going to learn backend. Okay, but side by side, I'm just going to learn the
So
AI/ML stuffs
that
also.
I don't know guy is very wrong. I mean, he's
What?
saying that the web developers are the first who is going to lose their job, but like ask him if he has lost his or not. I mean, there is no way that web developers are actually going to lose their job because
I don't think.
people are building their websites. They want to make it online. It's the most basic thing that they are going to, invest their time, like web development. Either you do it with WordPress or by coding. Every company is going to need them. No AI is like as built now. You like can do these
Yeah.
stuffs that uh, a human can do. Right?
Hmm.
I know, like you're saying there are other domains, right? There are many domains, but you cannot just do everything. And while doing web development, you can integrate other things like AI, ML, Web3, or
Yeah.
any other
Yeah.
tech stack. And if you're focusing on big tech companies, then forget any tech stack and just go for DSA. That's the most basic thing. And they are
Yeah.
only going to choose you on the basis of your problem solving, competitive programming. So get into a start for getting into a startup, you must know a skillful tech stack, and web development is one of the most preferable. It's most saturated, but also the most preferable. Like not everyone can do all tech stacks, right?
There are other domains as well. Look, I was confused with okay, the first thing is the front end, the web developing. I don't know nothing about designing. Okay, I just sucked at designing. That's the reason I didn't choose the full stack developing. The full stack is you have to learn too much of it, and I don't require that much. The full stack also required the front end part. That's the reason I'm not going with that also. The app developing, I don't have any interest on app development. That's the reason also. Raj, you what's up? I'm good, man. And there is like
Sweet.
a third thing, and I think there is a DevOps also. Like DevOps, I don't know anything about DevOps, and I don't think I should go with the DevOps thing. Okay, that's the reason. The best option for me is to
DevOps
learn
is
backend.
also a part of like hello, hello,
The
hello.
mid version, no,
DevOps is also a
the
part of
backend
backend
and
development.
also the front end, the mid thing. I feel like how much I know. Hmm. I'm sad in my option also. Web development is so that salary is part low. Also, you can use AI to build websites. Yeah, definitely. Lol, that future is going to get enough scale. Enhance your skills. No, I'm just going to say the one thing. Like go and depends on skills. I mean, that depends on the skill set. If I like look, if I'm making this kind of website, then I don't think they have a future though. Okay, if you are going to make websites like let's give a good example, some really good kind of websites. I mean, this is going to cost your mind, something like that. If you want to get into big tech ESA to use it lol, it's all gonna help you with the intensive strategy of getting from the less than 1%. You wouldn't have a better chance to get except to university. You need a crazy good profile with Stroud. The project,
What I believe
yes,
you.
if you are talking about big tech. Yeah, that's true, man. I'm really going to agree with you. Project idea. The blue list. Git. Okay. Databases and structures.
Oh, so bhai, he's from foreign. Okay, bro. Whatever you are saying is actually true. But in India, the case is opposite. In India, the recruiting process is very different. Like they mostly rely on DSA,
You know,
and
man,
then
like
they are like
even a
they will
partial
teach
understand.
you the tech stack, whatever they are using.
Okay. Okay, so first of all, I'm thinking I'm going to give JavaScript for I think at least a 1 week to learn everything because I have a kind of good root about programming and something. So I'm going to give it close to 2 weeks. Okay, let's suppose JavaScript for 2 weeks. Ah no, if I give JavaScript for 2 weeks, then uh, oi, Atom Nerd or anyone, guys, anyone, if you're going to help me, please join my Discord and just and just come to this Jetnod one and you can give me some advice if you are there. Man, ID IDK, come and join her there, please. Just help you to build a web application. Oh, man, do you think talking about me? I was mostly game development. Hmm, you're game development.
Game development is very nice, bro. But in India, it's like if you are actually learning game development, you're not going to get the, internship or something.
No, there are internship
Like everyone is
position.
asking for web
I can't
development
help you,
and this
man.
stuff.
I don't do backend. MySQL.
One of my friend is also doing from game development.
Who? Who's doing it in the project ideas? Something like compatible memory system, operating system, employment system, online state databases, recognition system, movie and recognition system. I mean, once I try to build a recognition, I mean the recommending system, but it looks brutally failed. I mean, web frameworks. Hey, Atom Nerd. Hello,
Hello,
hello. Like, how much time I should give
hello,
the
hello, hello, hello.
the JavaScript? I mean, for at least a week, it should good. Game development jobs are the
So,
pretty messed up
like, for what? Like
everywhere.
JavaScript and what?
Only just JavaScript, the basic thing for JavaScript to learn Node.js or there is a different thing in Node.js, like different function, different like the data structure or something like that.
Okay. If you are spending 3 hours a day, then 20 days are enough to learn the
20
basics of
days
JavaScript.
Java. Oh my god. No, I'm going to spend at least
Yeah, JavaScript is actually
8
uh,
hours. 8 hours.
what?
Like 8 to 6 hours. I have a goals in my mind. Like I set a goal.
8 to 6 days.
7. I mean, at 1 week.
Uh,
Can I?
it's possible, but only if you put more hours in your studying. Actually,
Like
not just
I told you
learning the
no.
topics are
Six to
important,
eight
but
hours. 6 to 8 hours. I'm just going to.
oh, okay. Yeah, then it's possible. Definitely, it's possible.
I don't do the game development. You are familiar with programmer lol. I code everything from scratch. This program. Okay, so at least a week.
Nice,
And
bro.
how
You are
much
cool.
time? Okay, so what about the Node.js? How much time it will be take me to learn Node.js? Like I'm going to spend every
I have
day
no
six
idea,
to eight
bro.
hours. How much time did you take to learn this? Can anyone help me with this thing? Where is my LinkedIn? I didn't come. Just LinkedIn and here. I don't Who's going to come and things like that? Oh, I said, my lord. What is that though? Guys, can anyone help me to come and just tell me, guide me something?
To become a backend developer, there are 5 essential skills. Let's go over them one by one because the choice of language, both the front end and the backend. In college grade, now my students is that they try to learn many of these languages, hoping for that language to land a job. So if you're starting out, just stick to one language.
I'm studying CS right now. That guy is with me. I mean, he's with me. He's learning also BCA from a online degree.
Whichever you like, but also do a bit of research and see how many job opportunities for engineering students. JavaScript prefer Java or C# to JavaScript for building backends.
If you want to become a pro Python developer without having any prior knowledge on the subject, then join our
So don't overthink this, pick a language and I've created a free supplement, small and complete courses on my website, tool that we use to track changes to our code and collaborate with others. Git and 80-20 rule, 80% of and implementing complex algorithms. This is where a lot of self-taught
Not like a proper thing. Backend development don't know anything before, right?
This is the complete backend developer roadmap for 2025. It's a clear layout among how the internet works. For the timeline of this easier for you, I've created a free roadmap template to track your progress along with project suggestions to practice these skills. You can grab your copy from the description below. Let's start with the foundational tools and technologies that you need.
I hate those kind of backend development. It's a great one.
मैं खाना खा के आता हूँ, ठीक है?
Okay, bye. Oh. What is Europa hosting? Relational database. Okay, after the database, I should learn the Node.js. Before that, which is backend the frameworks. Okay, I'm going to choose Node.js. Okay, then I have to choose databases. Okay, after that, okay, first of all, I'm going to fix about like I should focus on JavaScript to learn JavaScript. I'm going to give 1 week to learn JavaScript. I'm going to prefer, I think, this thing. This thing will learn Node.js. I just have to learn the basics of JavaScript. I feel like to like learn the Node.js. Okay, this one is a actual Node.js thing. This is my stuff. Guys, reading the backend roadmap. No, I think it's it's just little scared me. This is a little scared me how much longer do I have to go to learn backend. Just finally completed. That's going to scare me. Looking at the thing. Okay, not just. I want to go to the Python part. It's a Python language. Then databases. MongoDB. I think this MongoDB. Here you can see MongoDB. No SQL. APIs. Okay. We will take one. Does it? JavaScript one. Let's make a Notion template for the backend. Like I'm going to make after that thing. I'm not going to end the stream now until I'm going to make this. Then the Node.js. Node.js, no time should I get to the Node.js? How much topic I should cover in Node.js though? That depends upon that. No? Let's make a Node.js. One, one, two, what do you think? Node.js for backend? There's wrong grammatical, it's incorrect, but yeah. Learn. And it's like literally grammatical. Oh my God. It's incorrect, I know. Let's hide this thing. I'm going to hide this thing. What do you think? Node.js for backend to learn time. Learn time. Time learn. Okay. But how long will it take? Let me think. I know a bit about JavaScript, but it's not super confident. Maybe I shouldn't start. Learning Node.js backend development can vary. JavaScript fundamentals, okay. If you know already comfortable with the JavaScript, those things, you can skip this. 2 weeks, okay. I was also thinking to give 2 weeks for this. Okay, 1 week for JavaScript, but after this, I'm going to set like everything also. Like in JavaScript, which topic I'm going to cover every day. I'm going to make a Notion template. Okay, this is my thumbnails idea. I want to show this, but yeah, okay, like this kind of things. Okay, I want to create like this thing. Like in here, I can write the JavaScript, and for every day, I'm going to set things. I mean, what things I'm going to fill up those. Okay, lot. No, I just didn't set those things. Okay, yeah. The 3 weeks databases, Node.js, anything. 2 weeks. If basics, basics for 2 weeks, but I'm going to spend. What's supposed to if I spend every day, do you plan to move to the US? Definitely. And I don't know. Oh, I shouldn't say, but yes, I wanted to. Like, I wanted to move to the Japan. I mean, Japan. It's like good. I like the Japan. Spanish culture. I don't like the US culture thing at all. And if I spend every day 6 hours, forget 30 hours every day week. Now, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 5. Oh, what the fuck is happening? 8 weeks. Okay, if you dedicate 8 hours a day, 48 hours, 42 hours a week, you can don't suppose here week, week by week broke down. First 1 to 2 week, not just why he is just going to this was learning the internship. I think this was the thing. Not just yeah, this is second thing I'm going to learn databases. So database. I'm going to learn MongoDB though. Yeah, I know MySQL. Basics of databases. Design. Okay. Databases. Databases. How much time should I give to databases to learn? I'm giving 1 week to learn MongoDB. MongoDB. Mm, Backend dev. Interview questions. CS, HTML, JavaScript. Ah, very good. JavaScript. Go to JavaScript. What? HTML, JavaScript. Okay, but I'm going to learn HTML also, by the way. HTML and CSS for just I think 3 to 4 days. Learn the MongoDB in no data SQL to the backend. 2 to 4 weeks. It's just going to take me 1 month. 6 hours every day. 1 to 2. Node.js databases. He is going to give me. Okay. 2 to 3 weeks. Let's suppose 3 weeks I can complete like easily. By the way, side by side, I'm going to make projects also. Ah man, okay, it's coming. Okay. Then my okay. Wow. Database APIs and web servers. Authorizing HTTP of testing, development, deployment, securities and best practices, advanced topics, real time. projects to build. Okay, I don't think like I think I was thinking this much of it, but I don't think this with APIs, API, web things, all them. Do you think how much scared it is? Like I'm just giving my whole career to a freaking AI. So if this AI information is wrong, if anything like a little bit about is wrong, then my life is good, man. Like there isn't any back from that. I mean, I just have to accept it. I'm going to no time for APIs and web server. Introduction to JavaScript. I was with a very dynamic company. Oh, you messaged me this much. You're not stopping learning, lol. Wait, it's web development. New framework are going to come over. We're trying to learn everything in a short span of a little touch. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm just giving time, like a short span. But I think it's enough. I mean, because I'm not a newbie though, huh? I have like a good kind of knowledge about like a basic knowledge about the programming, huh? So I don't have to spend that much programming, and I think my logic is also like in the midway, not to the bad or not like good, but it's like in middle. So I don't think I have to spend that much time. I just have to get dedicated into that. No, that's the point that we make. Learning APIs and web server. mm, The backend development typically takes 3 to 6 weeks with 6 hours of focused learning. The learning only required to itself was testing backend core skills and timeline. Topics needs to go 6 hours a day. Typical method that between getting GTG. Good night, man. I like going. All right, IGTG. Goodbye, man. Have a good day. I think you're from US, then good day. If you're from India, then good night. I think you mentioned US. Rest principles. Key projects to build. To-do list API. Weather API. I try to make weather API. I mean, I try to make a weather app, not app, like a project, and using Python. I used the API. I don't remember the name, but yeah, I built this thing. I forgot the APIs. Social media backend, post comment, like, and real-time notification to website, learning resources, API tutorial, express to JSP context tools, testing, okay, is a media thing, trampoline, but then the part 5. Man, I don't have too much time to APIs, man. For API and website. Hmm. API and web servers. 3 week, 3 week to 4 weeks. I think is if there is a more kind of like the concept, I mean, then I don't think it will be take me that much time. But there are some like a practical coding and stuff, then I'm going to give some good time. The authorization method, like it's utility. हाँ
मैं जा रहा था
what?
मैं जा रहा था
Okay, okay, bye. Have a good day.
हेल्प चाहिए तो बोलना
Okay, okay. There's a thing, okay. What I'm thinking now. I should search. Search. How many books are this the same things? 260. 26 and 260. It's like 26 weeks. Okay, yeah. I'm giving 1 week to JavaScript. I'm giving Node.js for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'm giving databases to 3 weeks, and
बैंक
I'm
मांग
giving
रहा है
APIs. What? Hello?
हेलो
Wow.
oh nothing I'm actually talking to my brother sorry
Okay. I'm giving APIs for 3 to 4 weeks. 5 weeks. 6, 7, 8, 9. I have much time, man. Okay, I can give 3 weeks to this also. Here's the thing. Authorizing, yeah. Authorization and authorization. I'm going to give 3 weeks for this. 3 week a week. That's good. I mean, 3 to 4 weeks. First, it is bad that I'm not going to complete this thing at that time. But now I have guessing. So
bro
huh?
the problem you're actually trying to accomplish something which is going to take so much time you have to spend at least 3 months on this 2 4 months on backend
Yeah,
yeah and if you're thinking to complete JavaScript for 1 week it's possible but you are definitely going to confuse get stuck and forget maybe other topics like DOM manipulations or loops or something like maybe syntax.
okay.
But if you really slow your process and trust me, it is going to be the best thing because in backend there are most of the things like database,
Hmm.
server, with
Hmm.
Node.js, Next.js, whatever you use,
Yeah,
JavaScript, and some of like DevOps, little bit DevOps, definitely because it comes under backend. That's
yeah,
it, you are good to go. The companies are actually going to ask for full stack or maybe backend only, right?
yeah.
And if you know JavaScript very well, you have a, what should I say? advantage maybe because just for in case if they are using React or maybe
Yeah.
Vue.js, there are other frameworks like Angular something. So they will
Mm-hmm.
consider you as a better opportunity rather than just opting for the people who are doing only Node.js.
Okay.
Okay, so finding an internship is like you have to spend 1 month by for applying also and then reaching out to
Yeah, yeah.
recruiters. But for that, you have to spend 4 months, 5 months, and then focus on building super cool projects like not just clones, but your own projects, your own problem solving projects.
Mm-hmm.
Then it is possible to get an internship after 6 months. And not only you, but I have also targeted with you that we both are going to take an internship after 6 months, right?
Yeah.
So if you slow down a little bit, like instead of completing JavaScript in 1 week, it's fine. Go for 1 week, but for Node.js, take a lot of time, like 1 month, to learn, minute details also.
Yeah, I'm giving
Months in
3 weeks for that.
Node.js,
I think 3 or 2 weeks. 3 weeks something.
for Node.js.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. Then there are like MongoDB, right? The next thing is the next thing will be
Yeah,
MongoDB,
I'm
right?
giving MongoDB for 3 weeks also as well, and now I'm giving APIs and web server for 4 weeks. At 3 to 4 weeks, between 3 to 4 weeks. Then there's authorization. That's also 3 to 4 weeks. Then there are like core
Authorization
skills.
comes under Node.js.
Wow.
You know, Node.js is
Okay.
the yes, the Node.js is the runtime of JavaScript. Like it's only the backend system, right? But the
Okay.
authorization, the crude operations, these are back topics that will come under Node.js.
Okay.
Again, the web server will come under Node.js.
Web servers also. Hmm. This
Yes,
one this
it
is
is
going to
very
be
vast
clear.
topic. You know, if you why I'm saying not to go with Python because the market has very less demand for Python developers and they are finding 1 to 2 years of experience with Python developers.
Okay.
And the
Yeah.
problem is like take it very easy. Like Node.js is Python, right? Take it
Mm-hmm.
like that. Like Node.js is Python and the Django is the other part of backend process. Like that. JavaScript is not acting as acting like Python. JavaScript Node.js
Okay.
acting like here like Python and the you're saying like web servers. Then
Mm-hmm.
what did you say? The topics are actually acting like Django in this. This is the main difference.
Okay. So
So instead
in
of getting confused, we should focus on smooth process like how actually a website works and then how we can develop a smooth running backend.
okay, okay, I got it. Okay. It's going to get given time. DevOps and deployment. Like, what is DevOps though? Hello.
Yes, yes.
What is DevOps? DevOps and deployment.
Okay, so in the past times, the company used to separate the two process like development and operations, right?
Oh yeah.
So
Okay.
that used to cause many issues because when the developers need to cooperate with the operation team. So
Mm-hmm.
what they did, like they bring a new technology called DevOps, like a person who can do similar things, like both things. He can
Okay.
also do the development part, like the backend part, and also know the knowledge of integrating, but like the workflow, you can say operation parts, like how to say deployment of the website or deployment of the application product, anything.
Okay. Okay.
It made it made easy for you and your organization to communicate with the other teams. That's why
Okay.
learning DevOps is like a plus thing in the you just say recent market.
Okay. Mm, So basically, the DevOps is a midway to communicate between two stack. I mean, the tech stack, na. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So penalty practices. Okay, it's going to take 5 weeks. Okay, so in my calculation, it's just all things are going to take me. How much weeks do you know? Five and three is 9. How it's going to 9? It's a 3 to 6. I mean, 11, 11 and 6. Man,
Okay,
11.
hello. Wait,
Yeah,
first tell me how much time like you are expecting to complete all of these things.
between 5 months, and for 1 month for projects and applications. 19,
Okay, okay, okay.
19 plus
Then it's
6.
possible.
19. Oh my god. 19 plus 6, 25, and plus 5. 30 weeks. It's going to take me 30 weeks, and I have 26 weeks. Damn. Literally damn. Hello.
You know, it's even tougher. Like in getting you,
Okay.
but it's actually even tougher. The backend part is it takes a lot. Like because we have not studied DSA also. We don't have any knowledge of logic building. Don't know the
Mm,
basics of programming. And it is one of those things. Like for writing backend, you must know how the logic building works.
yep.
So, but in 5 months is definitely possible, bro. Like 5 months is a lot. We can definitely do that with the good project.
It's 6 months. It's showing me 6 months. I'm saying 5 months.
Yeah, definitely.
30
Like we
weeks.
can
30
crack
weeks,
the
man.
internship. You know, picking a good company would be a better choice because they are like going to give us like small task as a fresher, and
Okay,
that's better.
6.9. Almost 7 weeks, man. My
Hmm.
god. Let's calculate the time now. We're going to start studying from 10:30 now. 10:30. There is 10:30 to 2 a.m. How is the time? 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, and there's 33 hours, 30 minutes every day in here on stream. I'm going to put time so my morning also, my personal time also 3. No, okay. भाई हम लोग ना जाते हैं ना सो जाते हैं.
B.
हाँ, just go and just go, just sleep. I don't think we can do this. Guys, it's taking me 30 weeks. Mhm.
So 30 weeks is a lot.
Almost 7 months.
Yeah, exactly. Almost 7 months.
If I put
But you
6
know,
hours every day,
the thing is you can lie on your CV.
what?
You can lie on your CV, bro. Like you don't need to learn everything to crack internship.
No. Wait a minute, I
Just
want the
learn the
internship.
interview
They are
topics and
also
that's all.
going. But what about then? Like, what are we going to do? Like on that job, I mean, then we're just like
They
nothing.
will teach
We
you.
should
We
to
are
have the
just
skills for them.
interns. That's the thing. We are not going to do the full-time job, right? We are interns. So they are going to teach us everything, like all the seniors and all people. trust me or not, but it is like it will take more than 7 months. But if we give constant effort, it is possible to complete in 5 months also.
How much time you going to put every day? Just coding.
Every day, I'm going to put like 2 to 3 hours, definitely.
Huh? Like besides
Yeah, two to
studies.
three hours. Yeah, besides
Besides
studies,
studies.
like other study people.
What? How much time did you say?
2 to 3 hours, or maybe maximum 4 hours.
Maximum 4 hours. You're going to learn full stack. You have to learn backend and also you have to learn front end. I was expecting 2 to 3 hours every day, completing within five
Look, I
months.
have no idea. Look, I believe in making projects, right? So the thing is, learning front end is interesting. You are actually seeing what you are doing. The back end is the critical part, and I may not learn Node.js that effectively, but I'm going to prefer Next.js for that
Okay.
to make easy and how should I say it? To make web application even easier than that.
Okay.
Yes,
Hmm.
if you talk about like finding an internship, it's easy when you are learning full stack and you have the knowledge of Next.js. Next.js is very plus point. I'm going to learn Express also, like just like you, Express also, then the basic APIs, the MongoDB also. But
Yeah.
having a knowledge of Next.js gives you a plus point because Node.js is the core of backend development. But Next.js, like Flask. Flask
Yes,
is
yes.
easy, yes, easy and easy to build.
Mm-hmm.
How should I say? Easy to build other web applications. And just like that, it's Next.js. And if you go to Django, it's very big part, and that's what Node.js is.
Okay. Django.
So for you, 5 months is enough. Trust me, 5 months is enough. You can definitely do it. And for me, 5 months or 6 months is like the same thing, like what my roadmap is, like what I'm going to do.
Okay. It's the sad part. It's the sad part. It's the sad part.
And trust me, it will be all worth it, bro. Because Node.js is Node.js is like one of the most demanding tech stack. Just go and search jobs for Node.js. You will understand how much demand it has.
But with Node.js, can I learn app development?
Even TCS asks for Node.js, just for Node.js. They call it Heroku developer. Just go and search Heroku developer.
Heroku development. What is Heroku development?
Heroku developer. They
Okay.
ask Node.js JavaScript. That's it. And it's like how much salary, I don't know, maybe 7 to 12 something. Service-based company. So yeah.
Heroku DEV.
And the fact is for backend development, you also need to know CI/CD pipelines,
CSCD. What is
version
that?
control,
CSCD.
CI/CD. Yeah, exactly. That comes under DevOps part also. Control
What is
input
this?
and all like CI.
EIC.
It's called
Uh,
continuous integration and continuous delivery and deployment. Okay. So
okay.
imagine if you are building a software and you have to integrate some other stuff also. So the CI works in that pipeline. And how should I say? If you go and search in Google, they will show you uh, a diagram. Like there is two pipelines. One is CI and one for CD. The
Okay.
continuous integration happening at the same time, and the same time they are deploying the same project also.
Okay.
Enough about it.
Hmm. Okay. So from tomorrow, I'm going to start learning JavaScript first of all. Okay. You're saying me to learn HTML and CSS. How much time that will you think going to take?
You know, I would suggest don't get yourself confused. Just start with JavaScript, and go slowly. Like then Node.js, then focus on other integrations. Like you can say, maybe just do first these three things:
What? JavaScript and the
JavaScript, MongoDB,
Node.js,
and
MongoDB. Yeah, the database. These three things. Yeah.
exactly.
Like after this
Yes.
thing, I'm going to thinking to like start some building
Okay.
some projects as
AP,
well.
yeah, projects and then APIs like Express.
Okay. So, but what
Yeah,
is
that's all. Because
like what
if
is
you focus on a
authorizing
lot of things,
authorizing and the core scale and the timeline?
there's a topic of backend authorization and other things. Let me
Okay, look
share
at
you a playlist.
backend
Wait.
integration. It's my first day and it's literally sucks.
इनका इसका करो चाय और कोड का.
Shy and cool.
Yes, it's one of the best playlists in India.
Okay,
It has
let's
25
see.
videos, and I guess it's more than enough to learn backend.
Share me in Discord. Link.
Wait. Let me do it.
Literally going to cry. Ah, this one. Do the English one.
When you write, your tone influences how readers respond. With Grammarly, just highlight your text and type how you want to sound. Get your message right every time. Download it for free.
हाँ जी, कैसे हैं आप सभी?
Let's make this more than 3x. Like close to 3x. I can literally understand the 3x. It's a gift I get.
स्वागत है आपका चाय और कोड में और सबसे खुशी की बात और सबसे बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट मैं क्या है कि चैनल पे ज्यादा इतना तूफान मचा के अनाउंसमेंट नहीं करता बस सीधे कर देते हैं अनाउंसमेंट हाँ सोच रहा हूँ फिनिशिंग का सेलिब्रेशन बनना चाहिए क्योंकि देखिए अनाउंसमेंट का जोश तो सभी दिखा
Go
देते
and check the
हैं हमें तो सीरीज के
playlist.
एंड का अनाउंसमेंट और उसका जोश बनाना चाहिए खैर उन सब कभी फुर्सत में चर्चा करेंगे चाय और कहानियों पे अभी के लिए स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारी नई प्लेलिस्ट में चाय और बैकएंड हाँ जी हम बैकएंड कर रहे हैं चैनल पे और कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल पे बैकएंड करेंगे कुछ प्रोडक्शन ग्रेड बैकएंड करेंगे इतना बैकएंड समझेंगे और सीखेंगे कि आपको कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट बनाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी अगर आप ट्विटर का बैकएंड बनाना चाहते हैं इंस्टाग्राम का बैकएंड बनाना चाहते हैं या कोई एलएमएस सिस्टम बनाना चाहते हैं कोई स्टूडेंट मैनेजमेंट पोर्टल बनाना चाहते हैं ऑलमोस्ट सभी बारे में करेंगे क्योंकि हम यहाँ जो काम करेंगे वो काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स करेंगे सिर्फ नहीं काफी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह डेमोस वगैरह हम वीडियोस में हमने काफी कुछ वहाँ पे कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इंट्रोड्यूस करा है बट मुझे लगता है मेरा सब हो गया सारा काम और जस्ट मिल जाता है मुझे पता है कि नई लाइब्रेरी सर्वर सिर्फ एक सॉफ्टवेयर बस जो सर्वर ऐसा कुछ नहीं शायद कुछ नए हो कुछ नए शायद पहले से आप सीख सकते हैं तो ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कुछ कंक्रीट बनना चाहिए उसके बाद
Okay, I'm going to prefer this video. The reviews though. So this is after first attempt. It takes a team. The text tag. What is it replies to? I think so. Your teaching style different from other.
So who is Atom Morse?
That's me.
Oh,
That's
okay,
my
okay.
different account.
Oh, okay,
I
okay, okay, okay.
have more than 6 accounts. Gmail.
Nice, nice.
Hi everyone, I completed this series and have completed. If you are looking for the best backend course on YouTube, this is the best backend course. I have started learning the Monstack, the paid courses. But I didn't.
Don't waste your time for Munstack, bro. Munstack is like everyone is doing Munstack.
That's the reason. I was like that guy. Do you remember that guy? Was like asking us to learn one stack and was just going to give you an internship. Do you remember that guy? I never.
Yeah, easy snippet, I guess.
Nah, that internship guy from what is it called?
Yeah, I
From
have no
LinkedIn.
idea.
His name is Manoj or something. Nah. Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
His name was Manoj or something. I'm not sure if you remember.
Uh, I have no idea about any of this.
I going to
Hey,
finished, right? Hello.
what's up?
How
Hello.
many people are just come? Okay, wow, hello.
Yeah, தண்ணி கேன் போட வந்தேன்.
What? Why are you playing this thing? Okay, can you guys help me with building a backend roadmap? Hi, excuse, how are you, man? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can you help me?
Uh, hello. Who are you?
What the fuck, man? You are in my Discord and you are asking me who I am.
I am nowhere.
Can you guys help?
How about you?
Man, I'm just going to kick out, man, literally. Please.
Nice. Congratulations. You guys cracked
Hey,
it. Dun, dun, dun,
what's up? It's not a voice changer.
dun.
Okay.
What's
என்ன ஒரு
the
ஆனந்தம் அந்த கரடி
main
முஞ்சனுக்கு
purpose of the
Why can
server?
you guys help me or what are you guys doing?
Why are you questioning? I don't know. What's the main purpose of the server? A random person
It's
invited me to the server.
we just came to chill out, bro. What's going on here?
basically I'm doing a stream.
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
making a backend developing roadmap,
Oh,
and I paste
Okay.
this link in my YouTube channel live chat.
okay. Okay.
Can
I
you
pasted
send
this
it
link
in DM?
in my YouTube channel.
Bro, can you
Okay.
send it in DM your YouTube channel?
Oh, now then you're streaming right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I?
Are we guys in the stream?
No, I mean I'm not sharing right now my screen,
Okay, okay,
but yeah.
Mm,
okay. Okay, what project are you working in?
I'm not working on a project. I'm just like came
No, no,
here to
like
find
I'm
out.
just asking, like you're working on a project, or else you're developing something, or else you're learning. Like what kind
Yeah,
of stuff is it?
I was learning AI/ML, but right now I wanted to learn backend.
Oh,
Do you get it?
then you're a beginner. You're just starting now.
Yeah,
Okay. You're learning. Uh,
backend.
by the
I'm
way,
learning
meanwhile you're
backend.
streaming.
What?
Okay. I'm leaving. Bye, bro.
Bye. Have a good day.
Yeah. Have a good day. I hope you're okay, boss.
Yeah, have a good day. What the fuck was that? Like literally, what the fuck was that? I mean, why I'm lagging? Error here. YouTube not responding. Emerging continues with the error. Writing not responding. Why you just talking? Is I'm visible, guys? What stage are you? LOL stage, man. I'm not in any kind of stage to talk right now. Hey, Atom, what is happening with my stream right now? Hello?
Nothing, bro. Not a social person.
But can you
Okay,
watch my
so
stream?
many people.
I'm just not able to watch my own stream. There's something happening with my stream. I don't know. There's like 5 watchers, but are they going to? Stream is. I feel like my stream is not playing right now. It's like lagging too much. But in here, I'm getting a good internet speed.
Yeah, we are from like East India, you can say.
Ah, okay, okay.
What is happening with my stream? Okay, yes, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Now it's good. Now it's good. Now it's good. I think. Hope for the best. That is good. I think it's good right now. Hey, who? Hey, Atom Nerd. Who said that? Like, who spammed this group? I mean, Atom Nerd.
Like what?
Who spammed my this thing? Okay, guys. I think I should end the stream today. I'm going to focus on my project. I don't think I can do this. Let's see what I can do. Hope for the best that
स्ट्रीम के बाद कॉल
70
पे ही
minutes.
रहना, ठीक है?
क्या क्या?
स्ट्रीम के बाद कॉल पे ही रहना.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm going to end the stream for today. I'm going to start from tomorrow, starting with the JavaScript. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this stream.